Looking for the perfect staycation spot na malapit lang sa Manila? Pero parang nasa ibang bansa ang datingan?
Huwag po kayong lumayo na. Nandito lang po sa Montalban ang aming The Bed and Barrels. Marerelax kayo, marerest, and marerecharge.
Your new favorite go-to spot for chill, fun, and aesthetic getaway. And guess what? Full-on Mexican vibes to. From the bright colorful walls, cute cactus decors, rustic wooden designs, down to every little detail. Sobrang ganda, sobrang aesthetic. Every corner is IG-worthy talaga. Perfect for family bonding, barkada getaway, small gatherings, or even just a solo relaxation time. So today, let me bring you along and show you everything about the Bed and Barrels.